Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best rolling kitchen carts. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the FinHemi 3-tier wire rolling kitchen cart. Another first-rate product on our list is this model from FinHemi brand. This version comes with an exceedingly lightweight design, which makes it smooth to transport. One of the pleasant capabilities that give this model in part over the opposite models is the cabinets, which are smooth to adjust. This gives a lot of alternative on the subject of organizing your stuff. Besides, this version also comes with a compact layout, making it in shape in tight areas without a hassle. Another delivered gain that comes with this model is the superb all-right countertop. This is not all. This cart additionally comes with chrome racks that don't harm your greens or meat. What's extra, you also are provided with a stylish and modern layout so that it will meet the desires of just about all kitchens. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Home Styles 4512 to 4595 Liberty Kitchen Cart. The Home Styles 4512 to 4595 kitchen cart is built to decorate the look of your kitchen at the same time as providing you with the convenience of extra storage. Having been made the use of high-grade hardwood, proposing a white finish, this version ensures you with the overall performance you can depend on for decades to return. When it comes to garage, this version comes with 3 storage drawers, a cabinet door, and a spice rack. This kitchen cart does no longer additionally disappoint when it comes to sturdiness. Besides the hardwood top, the unit also comes with a long-lasting locking caster and brushed nickel drawers. The model also comes with a cutting-edge layout, giving your property a completely unique appearance. At number 3, we have the Merox WF036471-26 Portable Storage Island Kitchen Trolley. If you are searching out a version that gives you with the satisfactory portability and performance, the Merox WF036471 Kitchen Trolley will fit your desires. This version comes with a versatile layout that allows you to offer you masses of garage area whilst nevertheless safeguarding your kitchen ground space. The unit boasts of a streamlined layout that features a smoothed oak top and MDF timber frame, which guarantees a protracted lasting provider in spite of frequent use. Unlike other models, this unit comes with an open-face garage system. What makes this stand proud of the closed system is that you can effortlessly see and get right of entry to the item you need without having to open drawers or shelves. What's extra, this kitchen trolley comes with heavy responsibility swivel nylon casters that make it easy to move. At number 2, we have the Winsome wood drop leaf kitchen cart. Designed to be used with each large and small kitchens, this model comes with its facets having leaves, which can be rolled to both sides for length reduction. The cart is made using hardwood materials, which guarantees sturdiness, while the neutral color finish ensures that it retains its herbal look. The cart comes with adequate of storage, which incorporates 2 shelves, open shelves on the perimeters, as well as a top shelf for storing smaller utensils. While this version calls for some meeting, it comes with all the gear required as well as simple steps to comply with to position it collectively. This permits you to put it together without difficulty as it arrives. Besides, you will love its superior layout, giving your own home a completely unique and contemporary appearance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Whitmor Supreme Microwave Cart. For greater than 70 years, the Whitmor brand has been imparting places of work and homes with easy but flexible company systems. Driven by the urge to make their consumers' existence easy, this kitchen cart comes with a flexible design that you'll love. The model comes with locking wheels, making it clean to transport from one location to the opposite. It additionally comes with accent hooks and pull-out shelves, making it easy to keep your accessories while maintaining them effortlessly handy. For better durability, this unit comes with a steel body that guarantees not best durability, however additionally stability. The pinnacle is not handiest made from a hardy wooden but additionally herbal hardwood that can be used for food instruction. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this rolling kitchen carts, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.